Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. I want to look at pool here today. Again, we just put this on on as an active trade just the other day, a little bit lower than it is now. So frankly, there's still time to hop in if you want that. But first, just mention that tomorrow afternoon, 1:30 Pacific, 4:30 Eastern time, I'm going to be teaching a class for our members on, this sounds kind of silly, but how to buy a stock. And what I'm going to be focusing on is stock selection and entries. I'm going to be talking about when you show up at a screen with a bunch of money in your account, looking to buy, itching to buy something. What are you looking for? How are you going to find it? Basically, how are you going to narrow down your searches to find just the right stock? And so it's actually not as difficult as it might sound, but it's because you can do it in a way that's very organized, and I'll teach you how to get to just that group of stocks that has the best chance of moving in the direction that you want them to move. So we're kind of ultimately looking for the best of the best. And I'm going to be talking a lot about that tomorrow, and I'm positive that this will help you out, and I'll tell you why. Because when I started using this method, it helped me out a lot. And so all I'm doing is passing on what I've learned from other masters to you. So I definitely want you to check that out. Again, and you have to be a member, but you can just join as a trial member if you want to see that. I highly recommend it. We are right now, our actual rate for membership is $147. I'm sure you probably know that because I know we've been sending out a few emails telling you about the rate increase, and so you're probably also aware that I have left the price for any members that are coming back, or basically any member, at $97. And so this 147 price won't take effect until this Saturday. So if you're not a member, you can get in now for $97 a month. And that's you're going to pay 50% more if you don't join by Friday, but then ultimately decide that you want to join. So your choice, just laying it out there for you. Okay, swimming pool here. So we have a nice little rebound on this. It's working out really, really well. And one of the things that I like about this stock is the fundamentals on it. And again, this is the kind of thing I'll definitely be talking about tomorrow, how to look for stocks with the right fundamentals. But this thing is just an absolute monster. Earnings are accelerating every quarter. The revenues or sales are also accelerating, and then their after-tax margins, and we all like great after-tax margins, are also really good. And so this is a company that from the company, it's firing on all cylinders. Stock-wise, it's also firing on all cylinders. This is the part of the move that you want to be involved in rather than just kind of holding through the muck here like you saw the latter quarter of last year and then into this year. So this is a stock that you really want to be in. This is a pretty good time to enter. I'll just be honest. The better time to enter was even yesterday or last week when it was rebounding down, it was bouncing along right here. But still, this is in a squeeze pattern, and so you can still buy some stock, look for it to move up a little bit, and then once you get confirmation that the move is real, then you'll want to buy some more. But for now, let's just get you in a position, okay? All right, that's it. I'll talk to you later.